Hello students, hope you are doing good. I am Thirthesh, lecturer, Department of Computer Science, Kaveri College, Gonikopal. In this tutorial, we are going to understand how to download VFlat and use them for scanning our document. For this, first you need to go to your Play Store. Click on Play Store. Once you click on Play Store, your home page is going to be visible here. After this, you need to search for VFlat. V flat. Okay, so once you click on V flat, click on the search button so that you are going to get the home page of V flat. So click on install. Okay, so this V flat only works in the latest updated Android phones, such as we can consider them from Android 9 to 12. Clear? Android 9, this is I can say about a Pi to the 12 version. So once the installation completes, you can open a VFlat application. So it checks for your device performance. It is only available once a device is perfectly run. Clear? So click on while using this app. Again click on the allow button. So your VFlat gets opened. So click on agree and start. So your VFlat kits, you have some documents here like before original image how it will be. Once you scan on a VFlat, how does it work look, and your color enhancement, and so and more erasable values where fingerprint erasable, which means you can erase the unmarked parts. So click on next. So you will get a before and after picture of this one and click on close. So your VFlat is ready to utilization. So before scanning your document, so I recommend you as your UUCMS takes up the value of only 200 KB. For this you need to have some different kinds of setup. So I think you can find three dots in your I think you can find three dots in top right left corner of your screen or top right corner, anything you can suggest. So click on these three dots. So you can get your original page, color enhancement, everything. So either if you keep this one, what happens here is if you keep this one, what happens here is your value will be more. In the sense, your what I can say like the size of a file will be more. So you need to remove this first. Clear? Or you can also keep the no issues, you can remove this. Click on settings. Okay, once you click on settings you get a screen resolution. So click on the screen resolution, make your screen resolution as low, and come back come back again. So you can keep in a proper uh, place and click a image of what you need to take up a PDF. So once your image has been clicked, so what does this do? VFlat will generally take it out all kinds of color enhancement, everything. So if you get a shadow, what you can do, you can go here and on your flashlight. So you can get a fast flashlight. So again you can scan your image. Okay, once you scan your image, so you will get a proper thing. Clear? So you can click on create PDF over here. Once you click on create PDF, so you can go to the quality. So click on quality and check out the size. If size matches the requirement, like I need to get within 200 KB, your document I need to get within 200 KB. If size matches, it's fine, no, not an issue. You can keep that same and change the PDF name as a mask card. Mask card and press on OK. So and click on create PDF. So your PDF has been created. So here you can use the different share options, anything whatever you are interested on, or if you need to save this PDF in your document, then what you can do, or in your mobile, then what you can do, you can click the link which is available here like document slash vflat slash pdf slash mastercard dot pdf. You click on this. so that you get a value how to open this one. Once you can open this, click on three dots over here and press on download, so your mass card gets downloaded. So hope you understood how to utilize this V flat scanner application. So to more details you can contact me. Thank you.